The Westfjords in Iceland is without doubt a unique place to visit, and according to Lonely Planet, it is one of their top regions for 2022. We are offering a great photography workshop for 7 days in the Westfjords, led by Páll Jökull from Landscape Photography Iceland and Arjan Wilmsen from Dedication Photography. Both of us are professional landscape photographers and videographers running workshops in Iceland, the Faroe Islands and Norway, with the mission to get you in front of the greatest locations, both well-known and less-known gems. And now, for July 2022, we are going to take you to the Westfjords of Iceland. On this tour, we're going to guide you through the area and show you tiny and beautiful villages. We are getting a feel for the life here back in the days during the peak of the local fishing industry. Experience deep fjords, stunning waterfalls, breathtaking giant sea cliffs and a couple of beautiful beaches. If the conditions allow for it, we'll drive a few adventurous roads. There is also a good chance to spot some local wildlife in the summer, like Arctic foxes, humpback whales and some seals. The maximum number of participants is 6 people, and we will be traveling in 2 4x4 cars with enough road clearance for difficult tracks and less traveled roads in the Westfjords Peninsula for maximum photographic opportunities. Our accommodations on this tour are small hotels or guest houses in remote villages, in double shared rooms unless participants request private rooms. All in all, this is a tour in an area that is without a doubt a must-see place. Join us on a beautiful and carefree trip to the Icelandic Westfjords. If you have any questions regarding this photography tour in the Westfjords, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can find us on social media or visit our websites and send us an email.